Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We'll take a look at this 900 again today. Everything's finished on it. I actually just finished the last project, which was replacing the rear bumper. So I'll just kind of have a look over the car and see what's changed. So actually, let's start here at the back. I'm kind of losing the shade slowly today, so this is kind of hard to see, but we'll do the best with what we've got. So this new bumper, no more wrinkle in the back anymore. This new bumper looks pretty good. It's got a couple scratches on it and things, just like the car, but it matches. Otherwise, everything else is nice and tidy back here. Notice the new exhaust all the way back to the cat. That was pricey, but well worth it. Of course, we've got new tires on. Everything's been aligned, new brakes, hoses, all the fluids have been changed at this point. Everything's been polished. This looks great. It was actually fully detailed, and then it went to the show. And it's actually been outside since, except for just a quick wash, but very, very nice. So the oil leak has been replaced. Yeah, it's been repaired. So it's actually really not leaking any fluids right now. I had the pan under it last night for about 12 hours and nothing, so that's pretty good. Like I said, yeah, the alignment's done. New belts as well as the oil seal, so all serviced there. I still have the sticker on from the show. We'll leave that on for now. So yeah, everything's cosmetically very nice. I mean, it was in pretty good shape before, but it's all finished up now, including the detail. Inside, we've got the floor mat in place. Again, can't see it, but the rust has been repaired. Of course, underneath the carpet, but that was all out. The carpet was cleaned. Everything is just nice and clean inside. Looks good. Everything drives really nice. So I don't think I've really done a video since this was on the road. It drives a little different than I thought. I'm gonna try to pop the hood here. Yeah, there it is. It drives a little different than I thought it would. It's very heavy and kind of stiff, but it handles really nice. And surprisingly, it's a lot faster than I was expecting. So that was pretty cool. But yes, it actually drives nicer since the alignment, which I thought that was kind of interesting. I didn't think it would have that big of impact on the car. But we've just kind of cleaned under the hood a little bit here. Nothing too crazy. I mean, again, it's an older car, so nothing's perfect. And it is being driven, so no reason to make it super clean for that. The fuel hoses still should probably be replaced, but all good for now. We'll look at the other side here. Some smudges in here from some of the work that's been done, I guess, but one of the rough spots was right down in this area, and as you can see, everything's been taken care of. Or maybe you can't see, it's kind of hard to see there, but that's all been patched and painted, all proper. So very nice mechanically. All right, so that's it. That's a good look at the car. I had it at Carlisle. I didn't win any awards, but oh well. It was like I was joking with everybody. It was only an extra $10, so why not have it judged? But the cool thing was, I think one of the reasons I didn't win is because there were so many nice cars there. So that's a win. What a great weekend! And that's actually where I found that bumper, by the way. That was a good one. I bought that. Some other trim pieces. A whole tote of literature and things, so very cool. So we have this, and then back there's a spider here crawling up my arm, so let me get that off. Anyway, all right, that's done. Still waiting on the radiator for the 9.3 here, so we'll do that, and I'm going to, while that's apart, we'll do the radiator, hoses, thermostat, flush the coolant, flush the heater core, and it's going to need a new temp sensor. We'll do that as well. The water pump's been replaced like a year ago, so we'll leave that. And the 9.5 behind it there is just kind of sitting there. Nothing too much going on with that. I did order new door handles, so I was going to try to repair the ones up front, maybe wrap them with leather or something, but we'll just go this route and replace the ones in the back, because the ones in the back are starting to get eaten away at this point as well. So anyway, new projects coming soon, possibly new vehicles, who knows. But there it is. So this is kind of the last update on the 900. I think probably what I'll do next is do one of my review videos, and then I'll take a bunch of pictures just for me, just to kind of just hold on to the memories of it, and then we'll see what happens next. All right, thank you for watching, and thank you for following along with this series. This was a lot of fun, very educational. I've learned a lot about these cars. Very cool, very fun.